Hi, this is Raul from Laughing Gear and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share a POV video showing what it's like to experience Star Wars Rise of the Resistance at Disney's Hollywood Studios when you arrive for early entry. Early entry is a perk available to guests staying at participating Disney resorts, allowing you to enter the park before regular opening and get a head start on popular attractions. This footage was filmed on a less busy early December morning, so wait times can vary depending on crowd levels and how many guests arrive early on any given day. There won't be much talking from us in this video. It's meant to give you a clear, real look at how smooth it can be to join the Resistance when you plan your morning well. If you've never experienced Rise of the Resistance before, this is the attraction from our perspective. I hope you enjoy the ride, and if there are other POV videos you'd like to see, leave a comment and let us know. We're happy to help you experience Disney World from the comfort of your home. And if you're thinking about planning your own Disney or cruise vacation, I'm a travel advisor specializing in Disney and cruising and other theme parks. You'll find links in the description if you like our help planning and booking your next trip. Now on to the video.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Line Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
It's over.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear, it'll be a smooth ride. Ground crew, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pakara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Squads, we're rolling up.
Pakara personnel, this is your final call.
Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must move forward now. The transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport take 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensible. Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are high. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Then we
Mega system scan ready.
Affirmative.
Then okay.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. EVA, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta clear the path so transport can make the jump! They're all over us!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to kill him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make us a fair fight! Don't worry, I'll come back for you! Stay strong!
Is there anything we can do, Nina? No, the tractor beam will be too strong. It's worth a shot. Full reverse. Any other ideas? Then wipe the navicomputer. I don't want them finding anything.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention Resistance sympathizer, this ship is now under command of the First Order. Everybody off the ship, go to your right down the corridor for interrogation now.
Three.
All the way down to the next lieutenant.
Gonna go on the color red.
Thank you.
Red. Now anything that's loose sitting on top of your head, such as hats, sunglasses, rackets, take those off now. At any moment, those girls will take the doors, so the color is like one, go red.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Poe's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recaudos para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. The probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. Is that in the floor? Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's your lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking next pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I have a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. Down at the wreckage, sir.
This is not good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happens to him...
Last show him in Sector 4.
Lieutenant Beck here. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.